खींचो ना कमानों को, न तलवार निकालो, जब तोप मुकाबिल हो तो अखबार निकालो। भारतीय इतिहास में कई ऐसे महान पत्रकार रहे हैं जिन्होंने अपनी लेखनी और संपादन से पत्रकारिता जगत में एक बड़ा योगदान दिया है, और साथ ही साथ वह भावी पत्रकारों के लिए एक प्रेरणा पुंज की तरह हैं। ऐसे ही कुछ पत्रकारों के जीवन से आपको रूबरू कराने के लिए LPCPS का पत्रकारिता एवं जनसंचार विभाग लेकर आया है ऑडियो पॉडकास्ट की एक श्रृंखला, कलम के सिपाही।
Every journalist has a responsibility to change the ignorance that covers the world. Myself, Kavya Tripathi, a student of BJMC second year, and this story is about Kuldeep Nayyar. I can honestly say that failures have not deterred me from pursuing the path I have considered correct and worth fighting for. These powerful lines are said by Kuldeep Nayyar, a profound Indian journalist who has gracefully and dutifully fulfilled his responsibility towards the country. The word journalist is actually pretty small for him. He was a champion of civil liberties and human rights, a continuous advocate of peace between India and Pakistan, an inspiring author of many bestsellers, and an influential editor. His journalistic approach was not only appreciated in the country but also across the border. Kuldeep Nayyar started his career with the Urdu Daily in 1948. His versatility led him to contribute in over 80 newspapers, including the Indian Express, the Daily Star, Deccan Herald, etc., in 14 languages. He was also one of the first few journalists who were put in jail in 1975 when Prime Minister Indira Gandhi declared emergency for his documentation of human rights violation by the state. Nayyar was also quite determined to improve the unethical relations between India and Pakistan. He explained his efforts for the same in a column of Daily Star just a week before he died, where he also highlighted his experience of the 1947 partition. He authored a total of 15 books, including Beyond the Lines, India After Nehru, Wall at Wagah, The Martyr, etc. With people recognizing his worth, he was awarded with the Ramnath Goenka Lifetime Achievement Award in 2015 and Padma Bhushan in 2019 for his contributions to journalism.
ऐसी ही अन्य प्रभावशाली कहानियां सुनने के लिए जुड़े रहिए दी कम्युनिकेटर्स के साथ।